Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss how the week performs and what will our expectation for the coming days, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday remaining. In front of you it is economic calendar. Monday no high impact news driver, so I tell you do not trade. Tuesday we have CPI, so every high impact news driver in the day before that, in the session before that, you will not trade. This is my advice. Okay, so Monday we didn't take any involvement in the market. Tuesday we did something. Wednesday, which is today, 8:30 is PPI and 10 o'clock is the testifies by bid wash. Thursday 2 a.m. Great British Pound news. Friday there is no news driver. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all these days is good, but keep in mind nowadays the trading is very hard, so take this consideration in your mind. You are taking every trade, it might be not fruitful, so focus on managing your risk. Okay, before proceeding I will check my live, so either the voice is good or not. Let's see. I didn't involve frequently in the videos. The main reason for that is I am out of my country. So focus. I think the voice is good. जो मेरे एशियन भाई थे उनके लिए मंडे जब भी हाई इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ ड्राइवर नहीं होगी आपके पास रिगार्डिंग यूएसडी, रिगार्डिंग यूरो, रिगार्डिंग ग्रेट ब्रिटिश पाउंड, तो आप ट्रेड नहीं लोगे. ट्यूसडे हाई इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ ड्राइवर है तो आप उस न्यूज़ ड्राइवर को फास्ट करने दोगे. द मेन रीज़न इज़ यूजुअली दीज हाई इम्पैक्ट न्यूज़ ड्राइवर make manipulation in the market. Okay, so no high impact news driver you will see consolidation. This high impact news driver you will see manipulation, and then Wednesday you will see distribution. Thursday it's again reversal or consolidation. Friday will back into the range, back into the true open. Okay, but what you see in this week, Monday is expanding downside. Tuesday, so then reversal, and Wednesday is following. So what you will tell me, like Monday you told us we will find any consolidation, and now we find expansion. That's why मैं बताता हूँ कि मंडे को फास्ट होने दे, क्योंकि मंडे आपको गेज देता है इस मार्केट का, जस्ट लाइक एशिया. ओके, जिस तरह आप एशियन सेशन को पास होने देते हैं इसी तरह आप मंडे सेशन को पास होने दें. ओके, करंटली वी आर इन एएम सेशन, न्यूयॉर्क एएम, and almost 4 hours remaining to 3 hours remaining to the news driver. This 10 o'clock I am talking. Yes, 8:30 is nearby, almost 1.5 hour, but this 10 o'clock is almost 3 hour remaining. Okay, तो अब सबसे ज़रूरी क्या है? इकोनॉमिक कैलेंडर बंदे के लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है? क्योंकि इससे पता चलता है कि मैनिपुलेशन या वोलेटिलिटी कब आती है मार्केट में. आई एम नॉट लॉग इन टू माई ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग. ओके, my draw on liquidity is these highs. We are stuck in this range. If you see, if I draw a line here, we are stuck. So it is a tight consolidation, okay? Unless one side is first, you will be very cautious with your risk. This is important. Okay, जब तक एक साइड फर्ज नहीं होता आप लोग बहुत cautious रहोगे अपने रिस्क के हवाले से. Okay, and it is September contract E-mini daily time frame. Daily time frame आपको बहुत सारे clues देता है. This is the Monday. This is the last Friday. You see Friday consolidating, so Monday expand. Whenever Friday consolidate, Monday will expand almost 70%. I am not a risk analyst, but this is my data. Okay, so for every move we are going up, we need a downward move. For every downward move we need to go off. Okay, for this move we need this move, for this move we need this move. So there is a connection bond with the last time. Everyone will say it's price action. Yes, it's price action, but it's time also. Okay, जब भी आप इस तरह हाइज देखते हो ना, unsymmetrical, and then this, and then this, then this, it's very easy to hunt for the market. Okay, very easy. And this is the Q2 high, and we are currently at Q3. Keep in mind this, we are currently in Q3. This is the low of Q2. So अगर इस तरह होता है कि यार हम ऊपर आएंगे, यहाँ पे हम इसी तरह एक बुलिश कैंडल होगा, बट लाइक दिस, और फिर we will find a change in state of delivery and reversal, then we will target these lows, these imbalances. Okay, but when there will be a crack, हमेशा जब भी एक क्वार्टर एक्सपेंड होता है तो नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर कंसोलिडेट होता है. लास्ट क्वार्टर यू सी इट्स एक्सपेंशन, बिफोर दैट इट्स कंसोलिडेटिंग, so it is expansion. This quarter you might see big expansion, but it will take time, maybe in the last month. Okay, so yes, you will find a trade in the lower time frames, but on the higher time frame you will not be clean as much as you are clean in this quarter. I hope it's makes sense to you. वीकली टाइम फ्रेम को देखना ज़रूरी होता है. इसका मेन रीज़न ये होता है कि यार आपको जनरल आइडिया हो जाए कि which side is first, which side is in control. So for now, buy side is in control, same like daily time frame. For short term, I am targeting these highs. I target these highs, and then I am targeting this high. Why I target these highs, I will show you. And why I targeting these highs, I will show you. And why I anticipate reversal, or I see reversal here. Look into this candle, 8 July, okay? July. So this is a precision swing point which is taking the liquidity, and whenever a precision swing point taking the liquidity, it is very important. We are discussing the dynamics of the market. Okay, कैसे आप anticipate करोगे, either it is the low or no, we cannot trust. So these are the ways you can trust. Precision swing point, correct, below true open, economic calendar, volatility. Okay, सो और अगर आप इस पॉइंट पे देख भी तो यहाँ पे आपको 4 आवर टाइम फ्रेम क्रैक्स भी नज़र आएंगे। आई थिंक मैंने आपको दिखाए भी थे। ये जोकर वीक है। जोकर वीक डिज़ाइन होता है यूजुअली for the purpose of manipulation, or you can say distortion. So we take it on NQ. What about ES? We didn't take it. This is the low, I think. This one, yeah, this is the low. So we didn't take on the ES. That's why we are going off. Okay. यहाँ पे हमारे साथ precision swing point on daily time frame and 4 hour time frame crack between the weeks. Okay, this is so important. डेली टाइम फ्रेम आप जर्नल आइडिया लगा सकते हैं कि यस दीज विल बी द ड्रॉज, दीज इज अनसिमेट्रिकल हाइज, बट डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे आप डेटा बिटवीन द मंथ्स को भी स्टडी करते हैं, वो भी ज़रूरी है क्योंकि वो भी एक क्रैक ही होता है। और जिस तरह मैं अभी दिखाऊंगा क्रिप्टो में बिटवीन इथीरियम एंड बिटकॉइन, लेट्स गो टू दैट। Yeah, this, you see, here okay, so it is a crack between 2 months, July and June, and there is also a crack between the year. How you will study the year on monthly time frame? Ethereum didn't take the previous year low, but Bitcoin take the previous year low, this one. So yes, it is a kind of reversal when you will trust it. Daily time frame, when there will be a change in state of delivery. These are the order blocks. When we'll come above this and retrace, find support, targeting these highs. These will be the most vulnerable targets then. Okay, if you go to my last live session, you will find this. I draw this line in front of you, like one of the asset will cross this boundary and one will not, so it is showing a crack above, but it will show you SMT, not SSMT, sequential. Okay, so this is a kind of real market structure shift, not a change in state of delivery. Change in state of delivery जब दोनों एसेट क्रॉस कर लें तो आप उसको चेंज इन स्टेट ऑफ डिलीवरी कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक चीज़ कंफर्म होती है, एक चीज़ अनकन्फर्म होती है। मैं जो अपनी टर्मिनोलॉजीज में यूज़ करता हूँ, मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट इज़ यूजुअली a crack on the opposite side, but change in state of delivery, it's a confirmed state, like the market maker buy model which will start after this. But we will see how the economies will work, and I told you whenever the last quarter is consolidating, the next quarter will expand. Okay, so these are important steps for you. Okay, let's back to NQ. Okay, so these are the highs, these highs are the target. I think they purge it almost, but let's see how I'm anticipating, like these high will be the target from back testing and doing this thing again and again and again. Okay, there is a concept power of 3 which is very important in my opinion. Anyone can learn that, anyone can apply that. Why I am more inclined to power of 3? Because that is not a fixed thing. You can use the time and price, but the concept is not fixed. Okay, how? Let me show you. Everyone nowadays thinking like, if Monday consolidate, we will expect Tuesday to reversal. But in this case, Friday consolidate. That's why Monday expand in the opposite side. That's why Tuesday we formed a reversal. Market structure shift. Fair value gap. The high form here, liquidity taken, and it is a breaker also. But if you see in the lens of time, this is the low. Okay, so it is showing the correct thing. Let me check again. Yes, I think we are good. आजकल वीडियोस बनाना मुझे थोड़ा सा ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, इसी वजह से मैं लाइव को प्रेफर दे रहा हूँ, वैल्यू दे रहा हूँ. मेन रीज़न आई डोंट हैव टाइम. सो जो भी होगा रफली एंड आपके सामने ही होगा. कंसोलिडेशन, एक्सपेंशन, रिवर्सल. ओके, अब आपको मैं रिवर्सल भी दिखाऊँ इस पॉइंट पे तो भी ठीक रहेगा. नज़र आ रहा है? Look into this time frame, this time cycle, sorry, my bad. See, not coming below. That's why I'm anticipating higher moment. And if you are a big fan of this inversion fair value gap, stiff right there. Okay, in the next week we are using the last inversion in the present week. So yes, these concepts are important and you will learn with time. What is our anticipation for today? I am bullish. For bullish, what we need? We need a bearish move, bearish manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. X is the reversal or consolidation or continuation. Okay, so these are my drawn liquidity. Okay, these. Let's see, it's gonna fan out or not. Okay, but this all we anticipate this. Okay, and we expect this move. ये एक मॉडल भी है अगर आप देखें तो. 15-minute time frame. Asia consolidating, London expansion. You see it? New York AM retracement and then follow the trend. So CPI is not predictable for many people, but whoever listen to me they can find the move, but it doesn't mean like you will trade the CPI. CPI is a destructive move, okay, usually manipulative move, so you will not trade CPI. What is the current? Let's see this. This is one indicator you can find on TradingView. It is free. It is showing the data in these boxes, which is very helpful, at least for me. Consolidation, expansion, same thing repeating again and again. Okay, whenever the highs palm just beneath the previous highs, it's the sign showing like we will come back here. Okay, we will come back here at the right time. So for me, London consolidating, because it didn't take the low of the Asia. ओके, कंसोलिडेशन किसे कहते हैं, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा कंसेप्ट है, क्योंकि ये जब मैं फाइंड कर रहा था तब मुझे इसका पता चला था. ये हो गया, इसको अज्यूम करे कि यहाँ पे कैंडल्स बनी है, लेकिन इसने प्रीवियस हाइज और लोज को नहीं लिया है. इट्स काइंड ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन, और एक साइड को लिया है और दोनों साइड को लिया है. So it is not a fixed thing. That's why many people cannot find this, and it's difficult for them. So what you will do now, you will wait for 8:30, the first manipulation, and then you will wait for 10 o'clock. I anticipate 8:30 will be manipulation, 10 o'clock will be distribution. Usually this thing happen again and again and again. Okay, आप जोशी का टाइम साइकिल भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, वो भी अच्छा है, उसके ऊपर भी मैं रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ. उसने टाइम साइकिल को बहुत लिमिट किया है, लाइक ICT किल जोन जो होती है, जिसमें वॉलेटिलिटी इंजेक्ट हो जाती है. ठीक है, तो उसने उसको बाउंड किया है, और वो भी अच्छा है, क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ वॉलेटिलिटी टू वॉलेटिलिटी क्रैक मालूम करना चाहते हैं तब इट्स गुड, बट I will back test it and I will give time, then I will say something about that. Until unless I think this quarterly theory QT time cycle is the best in my opinion, because it is symmetric in all time frame, like 4 cycle in all time frame. Okay, so yes, we are consolidating until 8:30. These highs are the target. These highs is very fro. Okay, so in my opinion we will wait for 8:30. Now it is 7:12 o'clock, then you will see. Per date we will go to the yes, I fixed in US 100, US 500 here, that's why it's picking these SMT. Okay, now we need to go to gold. If you see, I will show you something before. This high is first here, but in NQ it is not worst. This is a crack between the future data and the CFDs data, and it will shock your mind. Okay, what is this? These are the projections for this time cycle, and yes, we are a 2.5 deviation, standard deviation. This standard deviation is designed for reversal or retracement. Okay, gold, what is our opinion, what is our suggestion, what is our point of view? सबसे पहले मंथली टाइम फ्रेम को स्टडी करें. मंथली टाइम फ्रेम को हम कैंडल्स में स्टडी नहीं करते जिस तरह लोग करते हैं कि यार ये फेयर वैल्यू गैप टारगेट होगा अब इसके बाद ये. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस. Monthly time frame, we study the data between the years. What is the current year 2026? What was the last year 2025? So either we take the low of 2025. No, I think this is the low. This is the low 2024, and I think this is the low. No, we need to go to the future data. Future data is important. Okay, whenever you study this higher time frame cycle, go to the future data. Future data give you the correct value. It is the raw data. So this is December 2025. Okay, so yes, we take it on the gold and we took it on the silver. So monthly time frame, we are symmetric and synchronize. वीकली टाइम फ्रेम पे आप क्या करते हो, डेटा बिटवीन द क्वार्टर्स ऑफ द ईयर्स को स्टडी करते हो. सो इट इज़ Q3. ओके, ये जो नीचे वाला साइकिल है इस तरह आपको शो नहीं करता, ये इसके लिए आपको डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे जाना पड़ता है. तो दिस इज़ Q2, वी टेक इट. ओके, एंड ऑन gold we took it. Okay, but we are in Q3 currently. Okay, if you see, this will be the exact low. I mark it correctly. Okay, so either we took out this Q2 low on gold. No, either we took out this Q2 low on silver. No. So if you see my past videos, I told you, my bad if you didn't hear me correctly. Okay. I told you. What is this? Yeah, the voice is low a little bit, but now I think it will be good. So we are stuck in this range. I am very clean on my points. and I am one-sided. Okay, so last 2 quarters is just doing nothing. This is a little bit expansion, but here we are consolidating completely. So you will wait either the crack is formed or not between the gold and silver. If it is formed, you will wait the data between the months. Either the crack is formed on the data between the months or not. If not, you will check the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame data between the weeks. Either the crack is formed between the weeks or not. Okay. Per dollar. If you remember, I gave you these highs, and I just told you in this live session, like whenever the highs form just below the highs like this, it is more attractive to the algorithm. Okay, So we are following through, and the same for this. I told you earlier, we form crack here, we are targeting the highs. How much? At least 50% of this range. Okay. So if you are bullish on USD, you will bearish on the euro. This is sure thing. Let's go to a little bit more. This is exact consolidation. You will not study this data, but if you want, for example, you want to go to the lower time frame, okay, see it by your eyes. Let's open this indicator. That's why I installed two indicator. So if one is not work, the other will work. Okay, I think the other one is also not working. No issue. Okay, so if this is Q1 or Q2 or whatever, but see, it's consolidating, completing, then manipulating. That's why we are going off. Okay, but we go off to form another crack. That's why we come down. You see the crack between the Great British Pound and the euro. And if you go to the dollar, I think there will be also a crack. Yes, there is a crack. You see. So the crack between 2 weeks, consolidation, then expansion. So accumulation manipulation is using for the time perspective, and this expansion and consolidation is using for the price perspective. Okay. So accumulation, manipulation, and distribution will follow. But manipulation will also decide the coming expansion. Okay, like this, take this side and also this side. So it is a consolidation for the next quarter. Next quarter will take either one side and then will move to the other side. For example, अगर next quarter शुरू होता है coming week, तो एक साइड को फर्स्ट करेगा और दूसरे साइड की लो उसको टारगेट करेगा, not just a single low. If it take this side, it will target the other lows. Why we are sitting just coming down to the 4 hour? Because you are trading on 4 hour, 1 hour, or 15 minutes, or 5 minutes, or 1 minute. You are a day trader. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution will follow. See, this is a CPI. That's why I told you, do not trade CPI. It's a destructive news event. Okay. So we discuss gold, we discuss Bitcoin. I think in the start we discussed Bitcoin. Let's have a look again. Here is the crack. This is a change in state of delivery for the 4 hour time frame. The change in state of delivery for the 4 hour time frame. That's why we expanding. Then if we are consolidating, we are not coming down. So what will be your opinion? What will be your stance? You will wait. You will wait for BTC to follow these highs. Okay. These highs is very important. So then it will be a change in state of delivery. Market structure shift is already happened. Bond market, we will give him touch on another live session, and we will come back to the Nasdaq-100 15-minute time frame. So if you want to follow with me on this Wednesday live session, live trading, just comment or we will close the session. Okay, let me check it again. So I hope you find some value. Take notes per every point because I give you a lot. So thank you. Keep me in your prayers.